Hey there, today I'm going to show you how we have helped this e-commerce brand grow exponentially, as you will see in a minute, through Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads mainly. We have done Twitter and Pinterest ads and also TikTok ads for this account, but mainly it's Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads. So I'll start by telling you what they do. They sell the thinnest portable phone charger for Apple and Android devices, and they are a US based brand, and they came to us around July because they were doing well, around six figures a year in revenue, but they felt that they were stalling the business and they couldn't grow more. And when we took over, we did a free audit and we assessed that there were a lot of low-hanging fruits and areas of opportunities to improve the performance. And that's what we did. So I'm going to start by showing you their backend, right? So I'm keeping their name private for, of course, privacy reasons, but I can show you the stats, right? So in June, before hiring us, they were doing 73K a month. That's fairly, it's good for an e-commerce brand, right? They weren't doing 1K, they were doing 70 plus K a month. In July, we started taking over by probably the second half, and they started improving. And then in August, there was a bit of a dip in performance again. But then look at the trend. We started growing, and I'm going to show you the details in a minute. And it was exponential, the monthly growth. Of course, here we have Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and all the stuff. And here, look at the performance. In December, it's not that Black Friday and all those holidays, commercial dates were over only, but it's that they ran out of stock of the main products. They only had, I think, in pink or some other color, but they were in pre-order mode until February. So basically, we ran out of products here. But if you take a look, this is a great month to have as well, because December it's almost 500K, whereas before the holiday season they were doing 70, 170, and 300K. So right now doing for 150K plus in December, that's actually a great month, right? It sets a new floor way higher than it was before the holiday season. So that's great as well. So let me show you behind scenes what we did, right? Facebook ads, as you can see, this is the overview, right? But then there's too much information here. I'm going to show you before we took over, right? There was probably 1.1 ROAS or even less, right? No clear structure. The ad spend was around 30K or less. July, we took over by the end, by the second half. So there wasn't even new things we implemented on Facebook at least. And on August, we started doing, the analysis and everything we do because running an ad campaign is great, but it's as easy to waste money if you don't create something solid, right? So first we start by doing an analysis on the buyer persona, what they want, their desires, pain points, all stuff. And you can see by now the performance started to increase a little bit, right? And we were spending a little bit less. That's why in August you will see a dip in performance in the overall, as I show you here, because we started spending even less than before, right? And here in September is the ramp up, right? Everything starts to have more color, 2 plus ROAS. Then in October, we start ramping up 60K and 2 plus ROAS. And please keep in mind that after iOS 14 update, Facebook is underreporting around 50% of the sales, right? In November, you will see from Facebook 3 plus ROAS, 4 plus ROAS, all the stuff, right? So then you will see that we ran out of inventory because we are getting way less add to carts. In this case, the performance started to decrease, right? We were still getting a few 3x, 2x ROAS, but the performance started to decrease because we ran out of inventory. So basically, what I'm telling is that Facebook did great. Google did great as well. You can see here an overall since July to December 2021, an overall of almost a 3x ROAS, right? And please consider the following. This client wasn't doing any anything else but Facebook, Google, and Instagram ads. Of course, some people might know them from, I don't know, their social media, but it's not a super well-known brand either. So all the efforts came through what we were doing with them. You can check that. In fact, before they hire us, they were doing 70K, and now they're doing multiple six figures per month, not per year, per month. And that's great. And they are so grateful because of that. And in fact, they have recorded a video case study that you can watch on our website. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. And please, if you have questions or if you feel that your business could be doing way better than it's doing right now, we do free audits to make sure that we are a fit to help your brand and that you are a fit for us to work with you. So please reach out to hello@bsrdigital.com, or also you can reach out on our website. There's a contact form by the end. And again, we'll be happy to help. And if it's not a fit, the good thing is that you have the free audit to implement on your own, and you get free advice from experts that have been in the industry for almost a decade. So yeah, that's been all. Thank you and stay in touch.